Kyopalo is a delicious vegetable spread that is most commonly associated with Bulgaria, although it is also popular in Turkey. In its simplest form, the spread is made with roasted eggplants and garlic, but it has numerous regional varieties. Some versions include roasted kapia peppers, tomatoes, onions, chili peppers, bay leaves, and parsley. In some regions, cooks like to add ground walnuts too. The combination. Kyopalo is a dish that does not have a unique use. It is consumed as a spread on bread or crackers, but it can also be served as a condiment accompanying various grilled meat dishes, and in some cases, it is even consumed as a salad. Though simple in preparation, Greek-style tuna salad is packed with typical Greek flavors. Along with chunks of tuna, the salad mainly incorporates various diced vegetables, and the choice of different additions such as capers, olives, and herbs. It is either coated in a creamy dressing or simply seasoned with olive oil and lemon juice. Tonno salata is best served chilled, accompanied by crispy rusks or country-style bread. This traditional Romanian dish consists of roasted and peeled red or yellow pointed peppers that can be cleaned and sliced or served whole. While the peppers are still warm, they are doused in a mixture of oil and vinegar and are occasionally topped with sliced garlic. The dish is served lukewarm or well chilled, and it usually accompanies meat-based main courses, but it can also make for a great snack when served with bread. Ovcharska salad is a simple variation of the famous shopska salad. Essentially, it is shopska salad, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, peppers, and cheese, with the addition of mushrooms, eggs, and ham. The salad is typically tossed with vegetable oil, left to rest for a few minutes, and it is then ready for consumption. It is especially popular in summer due to its refreshing flavors and the usage of seasonal vegetables. Salata de rosii or tomato salad is a simple dish that is characteristical for Romanian cuisine. The preparation is relatively simple as it consists of cutting tomatoes into pieces and mixing them with the dressing that is made by combining olive oil, balsamic vinegar, onions, and garlic with spices such as thyme and basil. This type of salad is usually eaten with fresh bread or combined with cottage cheese, and it can even serve as a bruschetta topping. When refrigerated, the dish will marinate in its own juices, providing more flavor in the process. Greek potato salad is incredibly versatile and can complement various Greek dishes. It usually consists of large bite-sized potato chunks that are coated in a flavorful dressing based on olive oil, mustard, yogurt, or mayonnaise. The salad is easily adapted with various additions that may include different vegetables, boiled eggs, olives, and fresh herbs such as dill or parsley. Lemon juice is considered to be an essential ingredient in each potato salad since it provides necessary freshness. Whether it is served lukewarm or well chilled, potato salata goes exceptionally well with grilled meat. Dikos is a traditional Cretan dish consisting of a dry barley rusk that is topped with crumbled feta cheese, chopped tomatoes, olives, capers, and herbs such as oregano. It is recommended to garnish dikos with a drizzle of high-quality olive oil. The dish is usually served as a meze or light dinner. Horta is a simple Greek dish consisting of steamed or boiled greens and weeds drizzled with lemon juice and olive oil. The greens usually include dandelion, violeta, nettles, wild spinach, mustard greens, and chicory. Horta is consumed throughout Greece, both by meat lovers and vegetarians, especially during summer, since horta is very refreshing and easy to prepare. Shopska salad is a traditional cold salad that is also one of the national dishes of Bulgaria. Often served during summer, when one can find it in most Bulgarian restaurants, the salad consists of chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, roasted or raw peppers, and Bulgarian cheese. It was originally created in the 1950s, when Bulgarian top chefs were asked to create dishes that would attract tourists to the country. The vegetables are typically salted, drizzled with sunflower oil, and sprinkled with grated Bulgarian Cyrene cheese on top. Some people substitute sunflower oil with olive oil in hopes to enhance the dish, but it is believed that it only spoils the authentic taste of the salad. A perfect, light, and refreshing dish for hot summer days, shopska salad is a healthy bite of Bulgarian tradition. The word shopska in its name refers to the frugal shoppy people from the Shopluk region, where Bulgaria, Serbia, and Macedonia meet. Greek salad, also known as village salad or horiatiki, is the national dish of Greece, consisting of quartered tomatoes, sliced red onions, and chunky slices of cucumber. Depending on the region, there can also be olives, green peppers, capers, feta cheese, oregano, salt, pepper, or a typical dressing made from olive oil and lemon or vinegar. When feta cheese is present in the salad, it is usually just sliced, but in some cases it's mixed in with a fork until slightly crumbled. Its name suggests that it was a rural dish, when farmers would take some essential ingredients to the field and mix them together. Greek salad is a true summer dish, full of refreshing, raw vegetables and herbs. It is best to prepare it with ripe tomatoes that are in season, while the olives should be of the Kalamata variety. Served in a shallow bowl, it is present on numerous Greek tables, either at home or in the taverns.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.